So if your Doxy runs like this, there's just a tiny bit of vibration in here, a little bit of a weird sound. And if you try to add some speed, and it just blinks and shuts off, that can be because the head in here is jammed. There's 2 ball bearings inside that can get pretty rusted up because there's very little waterproofing in here. So I'm gonna try to fix this up. So first we're just gonna remove the silicone head. So thanks to this, maybe it was spinning a little bit before, but nope. The lower one turns a bit, but it is still kind of fairly rough. So I am just gonna put it in here. So 2 brand new ones. So the model number for these is 604RS. Oops. Remember to put this back. I did not do my first run. Push it all the way down. Align the hole with a notch. Before closing it, hold it tight, and it's good to test it. Hot glue didn't really work since it's very little space in here, so whenever I would put it in, it would get stuck. So screw it. So this is epoxy. So this is it. One functional Doxy. Good as new.